Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel English Grammar A Salam. My dear viewers, today you are in the coffee house. It is very famous for all kind of people. You know the famous song by Hemant Kumar, which is famous all over the world. Coffee house is really a great place for all kind of people. You can see the old people, you can see the youngsters, you can see the college students, you can see the common people. But all the things are very neat and clean, and the style of serving the coffee is really wonderful. I have to mention it one thing is that you will get not only coffee here, but you will also get different kind of foods of different varieties. It's really a two-storied coffee house which is very nice and popular to all kind of people. It's really wonderful to enjoy with this old style and old fashioned coffee house here. It is at Kolkata. The place is very famous. That is, some people call it College Street and some people call it Bankim Chatterjee Street. And people come here to enjoy coffee and different kind of foods, and they also get some stalls of books here. Outside of the coffee house you will find a lot of book stalls and libraries where you can get different kind of books. You can buy them and you can choose them according to your own choice. So my dear viewers, now you are watching the entertainment of coffee, especially at the coffee house of Kolkata. So please follow the video from the beginning to the end. Assalamu alaikum.